From lifting weights to lifting dreams, a legacy built on powerful streams. A tycoon, a leader with a vision so bright, Arshad shines like a guiding light. Pride and unity, his banner flies high. A sportsman, a giver, reaching the sky. Through fields and courts, his story unfolds. Arshad Khan's legacy forever holds. Building bridges, breaking chains, giving hope through struggles and gains. For powerlifting and Pakistan's grace, he's the heartbeat of every race. Pride and unity, his banner flies high. A sportsman, a giver, reaching the sky. Through fields and courts, his story unfolds. Arshad Khan's legacy forever holds. From the business world to the sporting ground, in every heart, his spirit is found. A leader, a sponsor, with passion to ignite. For Pakistan's glory, he leads the fight. Arshad Khan, the name we cheer. For his legacy, let's persevere. In sports and beyond, his impact will stay. A true inspiration, lighting our way. Pride and unity, his banner flies high. A sportsman, a giver, reaching the sky. Through fields and courts, his story unfolds. Arshad Khan's legacy forever holds. Arshad Khan's legacy forever holds.